So, Foodie Friday once again. So, last week, nag-break tayo from using the air fryer. Ngayon, we'll go back to using this air fryer again. So, I just love the versatility of using the air fryer. So, for this Foodie Friday, gagawa tayo ng two pie dishes. Pizza and apple pie using the air fryer. So, let's go! So for the pizza, I'm just going to be using pita bread. Kasi dun sa grocery, medyo naubusan sila ng pizza dough. And syempre, di ba, this is like an easy peasy recipe, so no need or I don't have much time to be doing my own dough, pizza dough, so bibili lang dapat ako, but wala nga, so I'm just using the pita bread that I saw dun sa grocery. Dun lang, yun lang meron so adjust tayo. But and also same thing with the apple pie, what I'm going to be using is yung wheat bread na ni-roll lang yan, ni-rolling pin. Actually, wala akong rolling pin. Ginamitan ko lang ng diskarte. So, yun lang ginamit ko. And then, the basic recipes for filling, apple pie filling. So, but we're going to use nga yung air fryer. So, let's go! So, this is our apple pie mix. Apples, obviously. Tapos, ilagyan natin ng cinnamon, brown sugar. No. I used this one. Okay, cocoa sugar, cinnamon ilagyan natin, and cornstarch, and wala na, yun lang. And butter. So, apple pie. Apple, cinnamon, cornstarch, used coconut sugar. So, 2 leftover bread, wheat, yung ginamit ko, wheat bread, and then rolling pin. Actually, wala akong rolling pin, diniskartehan ko lang yan. Tapos, ito. So, yan, ginawa ko, plus may slit here, 2 slits. I use this dyan, tapos slits, tapos meron tayong egg wash, and that will go inside this air fryer. So lagay na natin inside the air fryer, and that will go in for, let's say, 5 minutes muna. I'm going to try 5 minutes at 200 degrees. Air fried apple pie. Look. Apple pie number 2. Oh, this one is better. Para mas okay to. So we have here 2 air fried apple pies. So okay naman siya, looks good. Diba? May egg wash. So, yan, malambot naman. Hindi naman matigas. Ito, crust. Yan, matigas. Matigas siya. Matigas dyan sa dulo. But here, okay siya. Okay. So, let's see. Pie. Experiment. So, tingnan natin. Let me just cut this up. So, crusty. Okay. Ito. See? So, tingnan natin ang loob. This one. Let's see. And let's get a taste of this. So we're making homemade pizza using pita bread. Okay, the pita bread because Wala akong nabili na pizza pie dough sa grocery. So, I'm using the pita bread that I have here. So, ingredients, the sauce. This is clara ole. Okay, chunky tomato with basil. So, plus I added some spices here, Italian spices here. And we have I'm just using the quick melt. Di wala na tayong mozzarella. Diba? Quick ano lang to eh. Diba? I mean, if you want, that's your option. But ang gamit ko lang dito is quick melt, and this is what I have. So, I'll make do with this. Plus, mushrooms and peppers here. So, easy lang. Gawin na natin. And this will go inside the air fryer. So this will go inside the air fryer for about 10 minutes. Let's say 5 siguro. We'll see. And ang magiging labas nito is thin crust pizza. Okay, that's what I'm envisioning this to be. So we're making 3, but with the size of this, nabilog siya na ganyan. One at a time lang ang ano sa air fryer nito. So you want, diba, wala kang pita bread, you can use pandesal, so pizza pandesal, or yung regular bread that you have. Just be creative, diba? I mean, we need that during these times. Kung wala kang mozzarella, you don't have to buy mozzarella. Quick melt cheese would do. Okay na yung quick melt cheese. So this is one pizza done at almost 6 minutes or 8 minutes in the air fryer. So here's the second one. Okay, at 10 minutes, almost 8 minutes at 180 degrees. So I think ito mas okay to compared to the first one. So we got the time right already. 8 minutes 160. So that's what we'll do with the last one. This goes in the air fryer.